Okay, good evening, students. Today we are going to see about one component of multimedia, image. That component is called image. Before we go depth for image, first we see about the basics of images. That is, first we are going to study about what is meant by light and what are how many color models are there. From light and color model, what is luminance, what is chrominance, and then we are going to study about what are the different types of format available and what are video camera are available, and how scanning takes place, and what are the video standard available, and what is sampling is what is meant by sampling for luminance and chrominance. Then what are the video coding standard we are using for image compressions. That is for before go to depth of image. That is we have some history behind that. From 1839 onwards, we are developing the image compressions also. Then we are going to study about the fundamentals of light. Light is nothing but it behave like a wave, and it is also a electromagnetic energy. It radiates from a source of energy in the form of waves. We know that the wavelength of visible light is 400 nanometer range to 700 nanometer range. Then we can define intensity of light, and we can measure the light as a candle power. And also we have two definitions for defining the intensity of light. The first one is luminance and second one is brightness. Luminance is a measure of light strength. It is actually perceived by the human eye. But what is brightness? It is also a psychological measure of perceived intensity, brightness. Then we are going to study about basics of color. Color, we have three primary colors: red, green, blue. Using these three combination, we can get the secondary color. And also we have some three main important characteristics of colors. One is hue, one is saturation, and another one is lightness and brightness. Hue is nothing but the predominant color, but saturation is nothing but it is somewhat a white color is mixed. But lightness and brightness is nothing but a gray color images. From this slide we can find that what is meant by hue, what is meant by saturation, what is meant by brightness. Okay, then we are going to study about color model. We have one color model, red, green, blue color model. Here each display color is described by three independent parameters. That is the luminance of each three primary colors. Now, that is it use Cartesian coordination system. The red, green, blue primaries are additive. That means the individual contributions of each primary are added for the creations of a new color. So using three red, green, blue color, we can get yellow, magenta, cyan. We can get the image. Then we have another type of data structure, that is called image data structure. For studying about image data structure, we have to know what is meant by pixel. Pixel is nothing but pixel element in digital image. Here each digital image is displayed with m cross n. That means m cross n nothing but it gives image resolutions. If you have more number values of m cross n, you will get the good resolutions. Suppose if you are using number of pixel, that is m cross n is nothing but number of pixel in image. So these pixels are arranged in the matrix form. Then we have different types of images: monochrome images, grayscale images, and pseudo and true color images. For monochrome image, each pixel is stored as a single bit, but in grayscale image, each pixel is usually stored as a byte. Okay, but in pseudo color images, one byte for each pixel it is used. It supports 256 color, but in 24-bit color image they are using 3 bytes for each pixels. If you are using 24-bit color image, you will get the good clarity of the image. For image, that is we have different types of image data format, that is GIF, JPEG and TIFF, and also we have BMP and XBMP. Okay, today today we see about the some basics of images. Thank you.